Hi, this is Mrs. Murray, and we're going to do a little more complex problem. We're going to find the empirical formula and then the molecular formula. So here's our problem. We're going to do the empirical formula steps first. The compound's composed of 18.24 grams of carbon, 0.51 grams of hydrogen, and 16.91 grams of fluorine, so C, H, and F. And this one, instead of percentages, they already did step one of finding the empirical formula. They gave you the grams, so we'll just write down step one. Carbon, 18.24 grams. Hydrogen, 0.51 grams. And fluorine, 16.91 grams. Okay, step two, we need to go from grams to moles. C, H, F. And I've told you before, make sure you keep track of your elements, because the most likely thing you're going to do is mix up your elements, and that'll get you really mixed up. So going from grams to moles, you are going to divide by the molecular weights. Okay, C is 12.011 and F is 18.998. 18.998. Okay, you should be getting really good at this. 18.24 divided by 12.01 equals 1.52. 0.51 divided by 1.008 equals 0.51, and 16.91 divided by 18.998 equals, okay, clearly this is the smallest number. Okay, so then we're going to divide by that. I think the 1.52 is going to be, whoops, about 3. Wait a minute. 1.52 divided by, yeah, 2.98. 3, and the 0.89 divided by 0.51 is 1.74. Okay, this is another special case. It's right in the middle. I am going to divide everything by, let's see, 0.74 times 3. 0.74 times, yeah, I'm going to multiply everything by 4. A little different than the 0.5. So this is going to be 12, 4, and 1.74 times 4 equals 7. Okay, because that was right in the middle. Okay, so this is a harder problem. So we have C12, H4, F7. Okay, and I did that multiplied by 4 because I wanted to get to a round number. So then I need my empirical formula of this. Okay, so C is going to be 12. This is the empirical formula, but I need the molecular weight of the empirical, sorry, times 12.011, 4 times 1.008, and 7, C12, 4, 7, all times their molecular weights, 18.998. And scooch this up a little bit. 12.011. 144.132. Okay, we add these all together. I get 281.15. Then I take my molecular mass given in the problem, 562.0 over 281.15. 281. And I get 1.99, which is like 2. So that's the empirical formula, but I have to multiply it by 2 to get the molecular formula. So C24H8F14. So this is the ratio, 12 to 4 to 7, but when you actually put it together in a molecule, this is how it shows up. Remember, this one had 2 tricks. One, we had to find the empirical formula to get the molecular formula, and the other one, since this was like, it wasn't even 1.5, it was 1.75. To get a whole number, we had to multiply everything by 4. Okay, but just follow the steps. These are pretty straight.